Hi, I'm Tom. Welcome to the Red Barn. So, I've gotten a couple of requests, and I thought I'd go ahead and do it. Some people have noticed that I put a zero clearance insert in my saw. Unfortunately, I didn't film it when I made it. So I decided to go ahead and spend a few minutes today and make another one and film it. And so, here it is. So there you go. It's not really difficult. I think the hardest part is getting the fit perfect, because you don't want it to rattle around inside the throat of the saw. I don't think it's really that big of a deal if it does, but if it does have too much movement in it, it could always bind up on the saw or maybe cause some problems. I don't know. It definitely would make a lot more noise as the saw rubbed against the sides. So that's probably the hardest part, is just getting the fit perfect, and you can do that just with some real, paying real good attention when you do the sanding around the edges. Other than that, you know, it's all about just taking away the material where it needs to be taken away and leaving the material where it should be left behind. You can use any type of wood. You can use solid wood. You can use plywood. I use 3/4, but you don't have to use 3/4. You can use 1/2 inch. I prefer the thicker wood because then it gives me a lot of rigidity along the length of the throat plate. On the thinner throat plates, like even the stock throat plate, a lot of times as the blade is coming down into the wood, it makes this plate bounce because it's flexible. And so, you know, the thicker the wood, within reason, I wouldn't go any bigger than 3/4 of an inch, but I think a 1/2 inch would work out well too. So anyway, you know, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. One other thing. The one that I finished, I spent a little bit more time on making it pretty on the underside. I don't even know why, to be honest with you, because nobody's going to see it. But I also put a wax finish on the surface to make it glide real smooth. And, you know, so this will probably still be the one that I use, but it's nice to know that I have a backup now. I really appreciate everybody watching my videos and all the subscribers I've been getting lately. Please, if you do enjoy my videos, I try to upload one every week. So please hit the like button, the subscribe button, share with your friends, and thanks for coming by. I hope you have a great day.